Today we are going to do a mind-blowing experiment. Yes, we are going to do a quick mind-blowing experiment while watching this video, and it is going to blow your mind because you are going to understand why you are attracting something and why you are not able to attract other things. And you are going to understand how the law of attraction is working. Are you excited for it? I'm sure you are. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. Now, so many of you are asking me questions, especially on Instagram, that Eze, I believe in the law of attraction, I know about the law of attraction, but why I am not able to attract what I desire, or why sometimes I get the opposite of what I want, or I've been thinking about that dream job or money or that success or losing weight or getting that relationship or manifest something, but why it's not working, or why it's working sometime and why it's not working other time. So many questions are coming in, and if you are not yet following me on Instagram, you should follow me right away because we are doing a lot of activities on Instagram. So you can check my handle AwesomeAzeOfficial and follow me on Instagram. So why all these things are happening, and that's why this video is all about. Last year I have shared a similar video on this particular experiment. Many of you have watched it, but I know that now our awesome tribe has grown big. So I want to give you this deep insight, this experiment which is blow your mind. But before that, what is the law of attraction? Law of attraction is always telling us that like attracts like, means what is going inside of us we are attracting, or more precisely, whatever we are focusing, we are manifesting. But then you will be saying that AJ, I am focusing on the dream job, but why I am not getting it? Or AJ, I am focusing on the money, but why I am not manifesting it? Or focusing on the relationship, but why I am not manifesting it? And then there are smaller things or other things which you are not focusing a lot, but you are getting it. Always remember, focus is the most important thing. Yes, it is the greatest secret of success. Focus. Wherever your focus goes, that's where your energy flows, and that's what you manifest. Now, this is the key. But when you are focusing on something, what you are seeing in that, or what kind of feeling you are generating, that is the key. So that is why we are going to do this focus experiment. But before that, many a times, so many of you want to manifest different things: job, money, relationship, health, everything. But because we are living in a world where we are surrounded by so many people, so many media, so much of information, we are constantly bombarded by other things, and it's so easy for us to get distracted. And even if you are desiring something, if you are staying distracted for a long time, then you are not going to manifest. Rather, where your energy and attention are stuck, that's what you are manifest. So let's do this experiment which will open your eyes and which will blow your mind. Are you ready for it? Are you excited for it? I'm sure you are. So in this experiment, you are going to do this along with me. This is kind of, you can say, guided experiment. And before we dive in, promise me, if this experiment will blow your mind, then you are going to let me know in the comment right away. And if you are excited also, let me know. I am super excited. So what we are going to do, I'm going to ask you to look around wherever you are right now, maybe at home, office, maybe sitting in a park, or maybe traveling, or somewhere you must be there, right? Inside the universe. So I want you to look around, and I want you to focus on something, and then I ask you to follow my voice. Whatever instruction I'll give you, you are going to do it. It will just take 30 seconds to 1 minute, this experiment, but this is the most important thing. So let's dive in. Now you look around wherever you are, and I'm going to give you 10 seconds. Look around and look for the things which are red in color. Yes, anything that is in red color. Look around. It can be an object, it can be a cloth, it can be a substance, it can be living, it can be dead things, it can be anything. Look around, any object, anything that is red in color. I'm giving you 10 seconds to focus on them, because then I'm going to ask you to close your eyes and visualize. So remember what are those things and where they are. So let's start. Your 10 seconds start now. Now you must have had a good look around and remember all the red things. Now close your eyes. Please close your eyes. And now try to recall all the red things that you have observed in your surrounding. Recall, visualize, recall, find out from your memory what are all the red things that you have observed around. And try to figure out where all those red things were there while keeping your eyes closed. You could able to recall everything. Those of you who are good, you can able to recall all the red things. Some of you may be able to miss one or two things, but keep your eyes closed. Now I believe most of you have able to recall everything red that you have seen. Now keeping your eyes closed, try to recall anything in the color of green. Anything in color green if you have seen or observed around you in your surrounding. Anything in green, keeping your eyes closed. Are you able to recall? Keep your eyes closed. Are you able to recall anything in green color? Anything in green color? I doubt. And now you open your eyes. Open your eyes and now look around. Now look around and see how many things are there in green color. How many things are there? Look around. There must be many things, right? And could you able to recall it? For most of you, the answer is no, right? If this experiment has blown your mind, because these things were green in color in front of you, but you were so focused on the red, you could not able to recall them. Are you excited? This experiment has blown your mind, because I'm going to explain to you what is the significant and how it is relevant to law of attraction. But if this has blown your mind, if this has made you laugh, if this has surprised you, like this video and let me know in the comment section right now. First, let me know how was your experiment and if it has surprised you or blown your mind. Let me know right now. Now, what is the significance of this experiment? This is how the law of attraction works. This is how our life works. You have everything in front of you. You had things which are red in color. You are having things which are green in color. There must be things which are white, yellow, blue, brown, in all kind of colors. But when I asked you to focus on only red, your attention was focused on only red things. And when you gone into that visualization mode, you were only thinking about the red. You could able to recall the red. And when you open your eyes, you could able to see so many greens, but you were not able to visualize them. Why? Because your focus was not on the green. That is why in the law of attraction, it says, wherever your focus goes, that's where your energy flows, and that's what you manifest. Or whatever you focus on, that's what expand. It means you must be manifesting a dream job, or you must be manifesting money, you must be manifesting good health, you must be manifesting good relationship, you must be manifesting better grades or better success in your exams or interviews or in life or growth in your life. But while thinking about that dream job or money, that relationship, that health, what is going inside of you? Are you focused on the red part or the green part? Means, are you focused on the negative part, like the fears, doubts, why it is not possible, why people are losing their job, why people are not able to make money, why it is a struggle, why it is difficult? Or are you focused on the green part, like it is going to be possible for you, it is coming to you, those opportunities are always there, you are excited about it, you are positive about it, you are happy about it. So there is nothing wrong with green or red color. Those are just for the example. But the key is when we are talking about the red color, focused on red color means, for example, when you are focused on the negativities, the struggle or pain or suffering in some areas of life or in every areas of life, you will be attracting more of those things, and you will be seeing more and more of those things everywhere in your surrounding, in news, in media, in movies, in everything. But if you are focused on the positive side, happiness, joy, success, growth, possibilities, then you will be seeing more of those same things around you in everything, and that's what you will be attracting. So this is the law of attraction. This is the key. That is why all the successful people says that focus is the key. Many years back, I watched this interview in this, I don't know which business conclave or something was there, but it was in US, and there Warren Buffett was there, and Bill Gates was there, and whoever was the third richest person at that point. These three people were the top three richest person at that point in the world. And I think there is the CNBC journalist or some media channel journalist. She was asking them, what is the secret, the number one ingredient to success? And anonymously they said, focus. Because only when you will be able to focus on the solution, only when you will be able to focus on the growth, only when you will be able to focus on the optimism side, the positive side, the growth side, the driven side of anything, then you will find the right people, right opportunities, right thing you will be able to manifest. So in your life, you may be looking for a dream job, but when you think about dream job, you are more focused on people losing their job, or you are more focused on people who are struggling in their job. So you find more similar stories on news, you find more similar stories on LinkedIn, or some of your friends, they keep sharing that, and it will keep getting strengthened within you that job is a struggle. And even if you want your dream job, you are not able to attract it. You have to look for the good things about job. Same with money, same with relationship. You may be focused on the wrong relationship, whereas the right relationship is in front of you. You may be focused on the painful side of relationship, whereas your relationship can be a positive and blissful experience. When it's come to health, you may be focused on the people who are falling sick or going through negativity or going through challenges, whereas every single day people are healing themselves, getting fitter, boosting their immunity, getting better. So you have to focus on that. That's the law of attraction. That's the power of mind. That's the subconscious mind. So right now I want you to think about, you can pause this video for a moment and ask yourself, what are the feelings or the ways or the emotions you are focusing on when you think about your dreams? And if it is negative, it's time for you to change. And I want you to comment right now what all emotions or what all energy you want to positive. Whatever it is you are manifesting, mention few words like positive, excitement, joy, happiness, easy, growth, progress. Drop few words in the comment right now so that you will let your subconscious mind and the universe know that these are the things I am focusing from here onwards. Whether it's about dream job, money, relationship, growth, exam success, health, losing weight, gaining weight, whatever you are focusing on. And those of you who always think that you are not really aware what you want to do in your life, it means you are never thinking or focusing what you really want to. You are so focused on the world around. It's time for you to look within. So my friend, this is a very important video for all of you. And if this video is an eye-opener for you, I want you to like it and share it with someone you care, because this is the core of the law of attraction. This is the core of the success philosophy, even if somebody is aware about the law of attraction or not. This is the key to all the success. Focusing on the right thing with the right mindset. That is why before wrapping up this video, I want to tell you one thing. Whatever you focus the longest and the strongest, that's what you manifest. Wherever or whatever you focus the longest and the strongest, that's what you manifest. This is the key. And if you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Be a part of our awesome tribe, and do share this video with the people you care. And if you want to learn more tools, techniques and powerful processes like this to manifest your goals, desires and dreams, we have a 22 days awesome program called Make Your Life Awesome. Check that program in our Awesome AZ Academy. I'll be putting the link in the description. And thank you so much for being in this tribe. This is Awesome AZ, your mentor, guide and coach. Stay motivated, stay awesome.